y'all. So today's Wednesday and I'm literally about to clean the car. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so I don't even know why I'm cleaning the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a quick little wash. I've never cleaned these tires since I put them on too, so they look pretty brown. So I just want to get that all clean. You can see the color coming off. The camera's at the crib charging. I think I'm gonna go to Lowe's and pick up another clamp for the charge pipe, so that issue with the charge pipe never happens again. It might run me about like $3, so it's pretty cheap, so I'm not really worried about it. For the most part, before I go through the wash, we're gonna clean this bad boy up. Look how dirty she is, bro. She's hella dirty.
Do you want a printed receipt? The wash is available.
Bingo.
Please enter wash now.
Good to go. Sheesh. Cleaned up. All good to go. My interior is dirty as hell though. So, a couple of things I gotta do today. I went home and grabbed my camera. So, right now I'm heading to Lowe's to get that second clamp for my my charge pipe. I see they got them for like $2. So, what I'm gonna go ahead is I'm gonna go and buy one. Oh, I'm surprised I didn't rub. So, right now I'm on my way to Lowe's, and then I'm probably gonna get some Chick-fil-A. Your boy's hungry. Even though I shouldn't be eating no Chick-fil-A, but it is what it is. Lowe's. I think I came in the wrong way. I see this little SI right here. Okay, I see ya. Oh, it's stock. Never mind. This. Or maybe one of these. Maybe I should get both just in case. I rock with both of these, 2 different sizes, so we'll see how it works. I might have needed a smaller one, bro. It looks fine. A SUPRA. Thank you. Homie asked me what kind of car is that. Now to get some Chick-fil-A. Luckily Chick-fil-A is like right across from Lowe's. Everybody and their mama go to this Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A bag secured. Let me know what you guys get. Right now I normally get like a #1 plain with Polynesian sauce. I get that as a meal, and then macaroni and cheese as well. But today I got an 8-count nugget meal with Polynesian and a small mac and cheese. I need to get a lot more roller clips for you guys. Like, I need somebody that's gonna like get a bunch of roller clips and shit, cause like your boy's in need. No bullshit. I need a whole shoot. Like, I need a whole shoot done. I've been thinking about wheels. I'm not in no rush. I love the stock wheels, so don't get your hopes too high up. Your boy ain't rich. I ain't rich yet. I am rich, but I don't physically have that yet. So clamp secured. I think I grabbed the right one, so I grabbed 2 different sizes, but I'm pretty sure one of them will work. Your boy is about to eat this Chick-fil-A, and my barber told me I could slide through. So let me grab this and then go get a cut, and then I'll start working on the car. Gonna remove this and then try to place this around it. This one might be a little bit too big, but if not, I'll just try the other one. That shouldn't be going anywhere. That shit is tight as fuck on it. And I tightened it like all the way down. That shit is not going nowhere. Shout out to my guy Bri and Dylan. Both of them told me I should go cop one of these. And I did. It only ran me about $5. I bought a bigger one and a smaller one just in case. The bigger one actually didn't fit. So I'm not even gonna go test it out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish up cleaning my room and all that. And then I'll take it out for a ride a little later. We're gonna see how it acts. Like I said, no more boost leaks. That thing is not going anywhere. Damn, she look good. Yo, I forgot to put this in the video, but remember, I still got the springs for sale. My dad's bugging me because I have a bunch of fucking car parts, even from the FK8 and my FK7 Civics. I have a bunch of car parts laying around the crib and in the attic. So this would be my second set of springs. I still have the stock springs. So these are SR springs. I need to actually just take them off of my strap, but they are for sale. I am selling them for $200. They're normally $360. That's how much I paid for them. I ran them for 4 months. So y'all let me know. Hit me up on IG if you're interested. Shit, I maybe even might work a deal because I'm really trying to get these out the crib. The last time we been together was fucking that little spot with Brad.
Yeah, dog. I just been, going to work during the, winter season. I just
same old shit, bro.
Yeah.
Whip. Yeah. I think you should back the Type R. Cause you know how I feel.
Track shit, then he should.
Are you doing track shit?
Yeah, I'll do track shit. I'm doing.
I was about to say bag it. I was about to say bag it, bro. Bag it. Taggy.